A bell.
What do you want?
A bell.
Do you want that or do you want a chop
Okay.
papa?
This.
Tell him.
And what do you want me to tell him?
Tell him to say that.
Oh, here. Look at Mama. Say back here beach.
My beach.
Say back here beach.
My beach. You broke.
Oh, is your ear broke?
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh, I'm sorry your ear's broken.
Oh no. Are you gonna pull it off?
What is for us?
Alright. Got your ear.
What you ask?
I got your ear. Threw it away.
Your ear.
Oh, there it is. Oh, better.
I am.
Eric, can you say love you, Dada? Say love you, Dada.
Say
He still thinks his ear's down there.
Eric, say back here, Mama.
Hey, no.
I got it. It's right here. It's your nose. I put it back.
You trying to pull it off?
Oh, you broke, Dada. A eagle.
Oh no, Dada ate your ear. You playing with
We
his
don't
tongue,
care
right?
anymore.
Oh, give him his ring.
There you go.
Oh, give Dad a big hug. Dada's so mean. Say Dada mean.
Say back here, Mama.
Like you, Mama.
All right, Pumpkin. Stop your bottle.
No.